Hello everyone, I am Rachel Baker from mercifulmornings.com, and on this channel you will find the education, encouragement, and support that you need both for online teaching and just for daily life. And today I am coming at you really fast in between two classes. I actually had a small break this morning, so I wanted to get on here because lately I have been getting questions about how to start class. This is newer teachers or people who are getting ready to become teachers online, and they're saying, I've looked at the classes, I've got my props ready, I know my reward system that I want to use, but how do I start? How do I know how much English they already know? How do I get them excited to be there? And so today, I just want to address lower levels. I'll do another video coming up for the upper levels, but because of how much time I have before my next class, this one's just going to be for levels 1 and 2. So we're just going to jump right to it. All right, so when you are starting your level 1 classes, these are the itty bitties, the 4 and 5-year-olds. Some of them may already have some English. They may be able to say hello and their name. Maybe they've picked an English name and they can tell you, but some of them have nothing. So you have got to get them excited to be there. This is more about encouraging them just to participate and listen and engage with you. So when you first open up that camera and they see you for the first time, you are excited to see them. It's, hello. 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 Yes. Hello. This, you're just getting them to say it. You may say it 10 times, and that's okay because they are learning an English word, and that's exciting, and they see how happy you are. So it's okay to repeat that over and over. Repetition is key. And so you're getting them excited. If they're still not saying it, you can pull out a stuffed, I've got my dino. I've also got a panda bear sometimes I use, and I'll go, oh, hello, hello. Hello. Yes, good job. I also use Dino, or sometimes I will use Meg for the next thing when we want to teach them to say their name. So I may say, oh, Meg. Meg. Yes. Hello, Meg. Good. Teacher Rachel. Ooh, that's a long one. Teacher Rachel. By this point, they realize this means it's your turn to talk, and they're more involved with you, hopefully. So, and you can say, Meg, Teacher Rachel. Now, if they, by this point, you can tell they have a few words, you can say, my name is, or what's your name, but it's okay to keep it very simple. The less you speak, the better in the lower levels, because you want to encourage them to speak and you don't want them overwhelmed with all these extra words that you're saying. So, hello, Teacher Rachel. Yes. And you can also teach ready, go, ready, go, ready, go. Good job. And you're into class. You start going through the slides. And again, for level 1, you're looking at a picture, you're saying the word, you're getting them to repeat it. It's very basic. So when you move up to level 2, these kids are gonna have those basics, hopefully. So you jump on, the camera opens, there you are, they're maybe hopefully excited to be there. But if they're not, you get them excited. You say, oh, hello. Say, hello. Yes. My name is Teacher Rachel. What's your name? Apple? Yes. Hello, Apple. Say, my name is Apple. My name is Apple. Yes. Now, I know to you I look like a total goober, but to them, this is guiding them. You're letting them know when it's their turn to talk. You're happy to see them. You can count out the words for them so they know how many they're supposed to be saying. And this gets you going. For level 2, you can also ask their age. Maybe, how old are you? 6, this is Chinese for 6, 6. Or you can say 6, 7, 7, yes. Say, I am 7. Yes. So now you can get into the lesson. You've gotten to know them, you know their name, you know how old they are, and you know you've got that rapport with them. So quick and easy today. I just wanted to cover the basics for the little ones. I will do another one soon for levels 3 and 4. They're a little bit higher. They already have these basics and you can ask other questions. So look for that video if you are looking for how to begin your classes for levels 3 and 4. That'll be out soon. If you are still hoping to become a teacher with VIPKid, check the description below if you need someone to kind of coach you through the process. I would love to help you with that. My link is below. You can click and it'll connect us, or you can just email me, mercifulmornings@gmail.com. I'd love to help you on your journey or answer any questions you've got. There's also, I've got a free resource for a reward or prop system. It's got feelings, shapes, and colors, free printable on my website, mercifulmornings.com. You can go, click that, put in your email address so it knows where to send it, and you'll receive that for free. We love free things. So thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, be sure to subscribe below and click that bell so you'll be notified when other videos are available. And if this would be helpful for someone else you know, share it, because we love to share the love. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye.